YouTube? I'm back to show y'all how to throw that cabin in on the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe. First thing you want to do is come to the side, pop this off here, go in the glove box. And on the side, you got two of these here on each side. Twist it loose. Each side, come over to the other side. I already knocked that out. The next thing you do is just let the glove box drop. And then if you take a look right here, in this area here, this is where you want to, put your cabin filter. This is where you want to put your cabin. Just like in all other videos, I tell you guys this is direction on each cabin. You can either locate it on the cabin filter itself, or literally locate it on the door of the cabin. And in this case, the door doesn't have it, but to put that door back, you just want to take the door, slide it in there, the other end, push like so. Close the glove box back. Close the glove box back. Before you do so though, just come over to the side, pop that back in. Remember the inside of your glove box, you want to put these struts back in. Lift the glove box up a little bit. Twist, turn, lock. The other side the same way. The exact same way. And just close the glove box. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Please leave a comment. I'm out.